Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to hide sheet in Microsoft Excel. So any reason you want to hide any worksheet on Excel. So guys, just right click on it and click on hide this one. So we can see now that sheet is hidden. You can't hide all sheets, like if you have the only one sheet and you want to hide that one, so you are not able. A workbook must contain at least one visible worksheet. To hide, delete, or move the selected sheets, you must first insert a new sheet or unhide a sheet that is already hidden. So right click on it and click on unhide. So here you will see the list of hidden worksheets. So firstly, unhide, or you can unhide one by one like this. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way to unhide any worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Share, like and subscribe this channel. In this channel you will find useful Excel learning videos.